That is incredible, man.
It is incredible.
I love the front of it.
I tell you, she's mean looking.
Heck yeah, I like to drive that in the water, Jerry. Oh my gosh.
You got a crack right here, man.
That's tight. I'd be scared to pull that up on the thing with all that power.
Boys there got money.
Damn. They're in the pink cooler.
Hey, Cam.
In the pink cooler.
What happened to the strap?
In the pink cooler. It's in the boat.
Oh yeah.
How big is that?
That is gigantic.
I can't even get up there.
No way.
Okay.
That's definitely a Dutch Gap truck and boat.
Dad, can I wipe it?
Did you wipe your jet ski? All right. Can I get this coming out the water? They ain't even loaded it yet. He can't get it up on there. Yeah, the boat's not on. You record it for me. It's already on record. Just hold it just like that. Please don't drop it. I want to get the truck pulling the boat out the water. All right, I'm going to pull the boat up.
No, you don't need to do nothing. You need to get out of the way.
I need water. Dad.
Go get in the truck. Hey, let him get in the truck. Go get in the truck.
Cameron.
They're in the pool cooler.
Your mom wants me to record it.
Just standing there. I'm not doing shit. Stop wasting your time.